Good morning, बच्चों. As per his next broken story, is Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and the peach tree, but he couldn't catch the butterfly. You know, it was Sonu was pakan chemis pat dora mis butterflies pet magar kapar as rose pet lotus pet new goi peach trees pet magar hukni irritate chemis butterflies kihi. Sonu could not see it at all. Ishnu heka mis pushti. He looked everywhere. The mushware taraf. At last he saw the butterfly. Last means kya wuchin? Butterfly kite wuchin. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. Peach tree is but us big spider minute go. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluffed its wings, it twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. You should wanna go in band spiders webs mas. You should heka panis panas kihin turn karithan or kihin karit kanam. You go band mas. In the middle of the web was a big spider. Middle mas kya was board spider heke we was bachhut pasan. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Each pasan it miss butterflies. Closer and closer, Claude called the brown spider before the angry spider crab. Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Dora goi Sonu, the Rotani butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots in its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly. Imsosi yellow butterfly. Varia khosh karmasan. Imsa spotted button pankhan pet. But it looked sad so on Sonu's hand. He was varia basan dukhi. Panimsan wanted to Sonu wanted to be it would be happy. Go, said Sonu. Sonu man kya wanas near Salgate pattern. Go fly. He left the butterfly go. It sat down on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed to the lotus leaf. It flew merely from the flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. Em kya wuchi do gasan yi gara rose pet gara leaves lotus leaf is pet gara flower to flower change gasan. The Sonu flew the butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. Dore or in Spanish gardeners must khosh to khoshal.